Breaking news! 3 Greek firefighters have lost their lives while battling devastating wildfires sweeping across southern Europe. 2 firefighters were trapped and killed as fast-moving flames spread through the Rethymno region on the island of Crete, while another firefighter died near the town of Githeo in the Peloponnese. Powerful winds have fueled multiple wildfires across Greece, forcing residents and tourists to evacuate several villages. Fires have also broken out on the islands of Paros and Lesbos, while neighboring Turkey is battling major wildfires that have forced road closures and a hospital evacuation. At the same time, Spain and France are facing another intense heat wave, raising fears that recently contained wildfires could reignite. Authorities remain on high alert as firefighters continue working to protect lives and communities across southern Europe. Stay tuned to PowerSurgeMind for the latest breaking